Okay, friends, welcome to Resource Prepping. I'm your host, Greg. You don't want to tear up your backyard, but you want the benefits of some fresh fruits and vegetables that take up small amount of space but produce a lot of food that you can have throughout the summer and fall. Why don't you try planting in pots right here? As you can see, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, boysenberries. Here are some tags to give you some ideas on what to grow and how to grow them. These are the thornless blackberry Natchez, one of my favorite, and they do produce a lot and grow very big blackberries the size of your thumbs. Next one I recommend, I got this from Tractor Supply yesterday, is the golden raspberries. These are delicious. They produce a lot of fruit late into the fall. Delicious eating. Next, if you say, well, I don't want just berries, I want some fruits, but I don't want to plant trees that grow 30-40 feet tall like some of your pear trees and everything else. Look at your dwarf cherry trees, and this is what this is right here, a dwarf cherry tree. There's the planting. I'm going to plant that today. No more than 8 to 10 feet tall, massive amounts of cherries, great for out-of-hand eating or baking. So if you're looking for a small tree that produces a lot, look at the dwarf cherry. Or this one right here, it's a cultivar. It's grafted of apples. I got that from Lowe's last year. Here it is right here. If you like apples, here was the cost last year, $20.25, right there. And that's what it is. And again, 8 to 10 feet tall instead of massive apple trees that are 15-20 feet tall, take up a lot. Look at your dwarf varieties or your cultivars. Here is the plum tree, Santa Rosa plums. I love these. They are hard to find, believe it or not, here in growing zone 6A. They sell out that fast. This one will grow literally 15 feet, but produce a lot of plums. And here you go, the peach tree, Bloom, Majestic. The Red Haven hasn't done anything yet, but the Majestic is really nice. It has not grown real big, but again, another tree that could possibly top 15 feet. Most of them I've seen around 8 to 10. This one here produced massive amounts of peaches last year, 2025. So just a few ideas. If you don't want to tear up your whole backyard or do what I did, dedicate 1/2 to raised beds growing fruits and vegetables. Try potted plants. You can put strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, blueberries in a little row like this or scattered around. My idea was walk on the sidewalk, to and from work, whatever, and have yourself a fresh snack. All right, hope this is helpful. That's the raspberry, blueberry, blackberry patch, all doing really well. Strawberries coming in again. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. There's Pups. Good morning, Nubbins. You gonna say good morning, baby? Ah, my good boy. He's a Canet Corso. That's his girlfriend, Pups, a full-blood German Shepherd. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. Greg out.